Hi there, my name is Maros. In today's video I will show you how to record screen in macOS. First, you need to open screenshot application by pressing Shift Command 5. Here you can choose record entire screen or record selected portion of the screen. Additionally, you can change options like Save to, Add timer, Record microphone. Now I will show you how to record entire screen. Select this option and hit the record button. When you want to stop recording, open screenshot application by pressing Shift Command 5 and hit stop button. Now let's take a look on how to record selected portion of the screen. Open screenshot application by pressing Shift Command 5 and select option Record selected portion. Now select portion of screen which you want to record. Now press record button. When you want to stop it, press again Shift Command 5 and stop button. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. For more macOS tutorials, please check my playlist macOS. Thanks for watching.